Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download music from Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, before you download anything right here, you'll have to make sure that you saved list your accounts. Okay, so for example, when you go ahead over to your profile right here, click on account, and then go to saved list. Make sure, for example, that your YouTube channel is connected right here. For example, you wanted to use Epidemic Sound's music, sound effects, or voices right here to your YouTube videos. Again, just make sure that you have it connected right here so that you avoid copyright claims, okay? If you're using audio for your TikTok, go ahead and add your TikTok right here for Twitch and whatever. So once you have your account added right here, you can now then go ahead and go to music. Now go ahead and find the specific music that you want, or you can go ahead and search it from here. All right. So let's say I'm just going to download a happy music. This one right here, maybe. So to download it, just click on the download button right here beside it. And then you can download the full mix, melody only, instruments only, bass only, or drums only. Or you could go ahead and choose to use a segment of the music. For example, that one. Click on download. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead over the full track right here. Let's say I'm going to download the full mix. Then make sure that you select the correct file format, for example, MP3 or WAV. Once that's done, just click on download, wait for the process to finish. You got to save it wherever you want. And then once done, you can now then go ahead and click on it to test it out or move it to your editing software. All right. And that is how you download music from Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.